In this video, I will show you how to watch live videos on Instagram. Finding live streams on Instagram can be either very simple or a bit tricky. When someone you follow goes live, you'll usually see a small live label at the top of your feed on their story icon. That's the easiest way to access live videos. However, unlike apps like TikTok, Instagram does not have a direct live button. However, unlike apps like TikTok, Instagram doesn't have a direct section dedicated to browsing all the live streams. One way to find live videos is by using the search bar. For that, tap on the search bar. Now, you want to type in the name of a user or topic you're interested in. For example, something like fruit. Now, you might come across profiles or pages that are currently live or posting related content. You can tap through the results to check if any of them are streaming. Another option is to browse alternative or related accounts, as some of them might be live even if the people you follow aren't. Additionally, if someone on your following list starts a live stream, Instagram will send you a notification so you can join instantly. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.